Imagine a school that's big enough to offer your child all the best resources and diversity, yet small enough to make sure they are known, valued, and supported every single day. Welcome to PACE Academy, a big, small school that provides a perfect blend of opportunity and community for every child.
At PACE Academy, we offer our students the advantages of a big school such as modern resources, advanced technology, and diverse opportunities while keeping the warmth and personalized care of a small, supportive community. In our big, small school environments, each child receives personalized attention. We have a student-to-teacher ratio of just 1 to 20, which is significantly different from the usual 1 to 35. It's a place where students benefit from both world-class facilities and a focused learning approach that helps them thrive. Whether it's advanced technology, tailored instruction, or a nurturing environment, we are here to set the pace for your child's excellence.
PACE Academy is more than just academics. The school nurtures every heart and mind that enters its doors. The students who come through the doors of PACE Academy leave as leaders. Over half of the graduates achieve Latin honors in university, with many excelling in professional fields. The school's commitment to academic excellence and character building ensures they are ready for whatever lies ahead. PACE Academy offers individualized instruction for kinder students, where teachers focus on each child's unique strengths, adapting lessons to support them at their own pace and build confidence from an early age. The school's commitment to technology makes learning flexible and engaging. With a high-flex learning setup, students have access to tablets and innovative tools that support both in-person and online learning. For high school students, iPads are integrated into their daily learning experience, managed through our mobile device management system. Whether collaborating on projects, accessing interactive lessons, or joining virtual classrooms, technology keeps every student connected, engaged, and empowered, no matter where they are.
We understand that a child's education is also about preparing them for life. This is why we make sure to blend academic excellence with strong Christian and Chinese values to help our students grow not just in knowledge but in character. Our mission is simple but impactful: to transform lives by instilling Christian character and a love of learning.
PACE Academy instills in every child the unique PACER values, which stands for
Positive,
affirmative, Christ-centered,
excellence-oriented, and respectful.
The goal is to develop not only great students, but compassionate, confident individuals.
We have Chapel Time Weekly, which I lead. This time is devoted to instilling our core values: positive, affirmative, Christ-centered, excellence-oriented, and respectful. It is a foundation that guides our students all their lives.
PACE Academy is also proud of its Chinese curriculum that connects students with their heritage and broadens their cultural understanding. Students strengthen language skills while also gaining a deep appreciation for Chinese culture, helping them become well-rounded, culturally aware individuals. Physical health and creative expression are integral to a balanced education. The school features well-equipped spaces for gatherings and performances, helping students develop not only physically but also in teamwork and self-confidence. PACE Academy's sports programs shape well-rounded students by fostering fitness, camaraderie, and a love for competition. Core sports like basketball, volleyball, and chess are complemented by new offerings such as swimming and table tennis, giving every student the chance to thrive athletically and build lifelong skills.
We know that choosing a school is as important as choosing a home for your child's heart, mind, and spirit. We're not just educating minds, we're shaping hearts, inspiring futures, and building a community of excellence. We encourage you to start your child's journey to excellence with us in a place where they will be loved, challenged, and prepared for a bright future. A place where their potential can truly flourish.